I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys.
That's him.
Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
Hey guys, grout tonight, and Sarah's gonna help me, so that will be a nice change. Probably take me even longer. Probably have to fix all our mistakes. Anyway, real quickly, I'm gonna explain to Sarah and to those of you that care how to do this grout. We went with the same color grout that's on our walls. It's like a light gray, and yeah, there's nothing to it. First off, mix it up. You want it to be semi-liquid. Nothing too critical, honestly. You want it to be able to hold its shape, but the more liquid it is, the easier it is to squeeze into all these gaps and stuff. And yeah, so a little bit of prep, by the way. I've already gone over every grout line and cleaned up any residue mortar that's in the grout line. That's super important. If you don't do that, you're gonna have your white mortar or whatever color you did shine through your gray grout. So I've already cleaned that up. I vacuumed and I did a quick wipe. Now I'm ready to throw down some grout. So Sarah, I want you to do from there to this line. Don't do here, because this is gonna be our exit.
Okay, so do the line that connects to the
just do up
shower.
To there,
okay.
Not back here, so that we don't put ourselves in a corner or whatever.
Okay.
You can be really messy with this. You just get a blob, throw it down, and then you're just trying to push it in to the grout lines. We also want to get up against the edge. Then, when you've done that area that you want, by the way, there's a curved side and a pointy side. You're going to want the pointy side.
Always?
Yeah. Then when you finish the area, you just scrape off the excess as best you can, as much as you can.
Okay.
And done.
Okay.
Then we'll let that set for a little bit. We'll come back with some sponges and wipe it down. And yeah. Not too hard, right?
We'll see.
And I'm going to start over here. Almost ready for the next step, which is going to be cleaning this off. Need a clean bucket and a couple sponges, and then we'll get the sponges wet, just squeeze out all the water, just have them to be damp, and you just lightly wipe down the surface. You don't want to press hard because you'll push the grout and make it inset. You just lightly go over everything once, and then everything will turn like a chalky color because it'll be dirty. Go over twice, 3 times, maybe even more. We did that in pretty fast time. What time is it?
11:40.
So in like probably an hour.
Yeah, because we started after 10, huh? Yeah. That's not bad.
I was expecting it to take me like 2 hours.
Good. I'm glad I sped it along a little bit.
I wiped this down twice last night, that's why it's pretty clean.
All of it down?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna put this back in the bucket.
So this is the next day, by the way. I wiped it down a couple times the night we laid it, and then a couple more times the next day. See how dirty that water got?
Oh yeah.
That means we're getting off some of the dust.
How can you squish that so tiny?
Wanna help? Wipe the floor over there, okay?
Wait, Dad, we have to do another coat. Can you be my
It's the next day and grout is dry. We've already wiped it down once and now we're gonna seal it. So Max is gonna help me spray. Max already helped me do this once, huh?
Yeah.
Remember when we did it on the shower walls? So, do you remember what you sprayed?
Yeah.
What did you spray?
That.
On the ground though, huh?
And it's just the lines. Don't spray the middle of the tile, just the lines. And you don't want to do a whole bunch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great job. Thank you, Maxie. Good job, guys. Don't run into anyone.
Are you okay?
Just as a side note, Travis was totally fine, which honestly is kind of a miracle because he ended up falling into a thorn bush and the thorns caught his sweatpants and pulled them down. So luckily there was no one else on the trail at that time, but also luckily he didn't get hurt.
It might break with me.
Winston, come here. Lincoln, touch some of that ice. Or that snow.
One wing.
No.
Oh, it's weird.
I know. It's so cool. Is this frozen?
It's like crystals.
Oh my God.